Archives of Prasar Bharati presents the timeless treasure of Golden Era.
কোনে মারিলা হায় ও হায় মোর মলুয়া হারি যতর যতর করে তাই হায় ও হরি যতর আনি দিলু ময় হায় ও হরি ও যতর ধরি ধরি কাঁদে মোর মলুয়ারি মোরে মলুয়া কোনে মারিলা হায় ও হায় মোর মলুয়া হারি
Stop it!
But this is my routine shooting practice.
But you can't play with a human life.
Am I? Chitwa,
Yes, Devta.
have I ever missed a target?
No, Devta.
Are you ever scared that I will?
Not at all, Devta.
There.
You
Yes.
and your justification. Rudra, tell me, have people ever meant anything to you?
Of course. I'm human.
I mean, do you value them?
Well, you, Raghav, are my dearest friend. I love my family. I love my father, my aunts, my brother.
Don't be so evasive. I am trying to see the real you.
After so many years? You say that you're my best friend, but you still don't know the real me?
Yeah? Indolent, irresponsible, selfish, equally charismatic, attractive, and of course, irresistible too.
There. You have understood me perfectly. I am what I am.
Rudra, why are you scared of shouldering responsibilities?
I'm a practical man, Raghav. I follow orders. I was sent here to look after my aunts. I did so. Now I'm summoned back to help my father. I guess I'll do so.
You will help your father with your indolence?
Indolence? Oh, you mean my love for life? But what's wrong with that? Raghav, I have money, status, charm, personality, as you've pointed out. Don't I have the right to enjoy it all?
At others' expense. It's not fair.
Whose expense?
Your father's, in terms of money, Huridevo in terms of emotional attachment, and all these women in the name of love.
That's neat and nice. You have made me out to be a perfect villain.
Rudra, I am only holding a mirror.
A prejudiced one. You're biased, Raghav. You don't want to know the real me.
Rudra, do you know the real you?
Of course, yes. Can there be any doubt about that? But tell me, why should I change for anyone's sake?
You are, in a way, by agreeing to get married.
I haven't agreed yet.
Aren't you going to?
Well, maybe yes, maybe not.
Then what about Minoti?
What about her?
Now look here. 1, 2, 1, 3. Who's the color? Red. Now 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. Now here. Violet.
Isn't it splendid? Isn't it magnificent? Such a
Yes, it
grand
is.
Diwali in this house. After such a long time. All for you, Rudra.
Thank you, my Dev. Thank you.
Red. Now 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. Now here is the color violet. Now look here. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. Here you see a jug of milk, and here is a newspaper. अखबार का कागज है. Now here you see देखिए, a jug of milk and a sheet of newspaper. Here you see समूह चढ़ा दिया, थोड़ा सा रह गया. Now look here. 1, 2, and 3. No, here is nothing. Here is nothing from something. Now here 1, 2, and 3. Here you see, here is nothing, quite empty.
He's good.
Do you like the magician?
He's from Darang, a local.
He's very famous too. Rudra, do you like the glow of lamps?
The burst of anars.
The whirl of crowds?
The swirl of laughter.
You're getting lyrical, Indu.
You too are poetic, Baidu.
It's the atmosphere.
It's the occasion.
Rudra, what will you have?
अभी इसको निकाल देते हैं. आपको taste करते हैं. देखिए, 1, 2, and 3. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Such a disaster.
Such a shame. What's wrong with you?
What is the matter? You can't even hold a tray.
Dropping things all over. Smashing glasses. Breaking vases.
Upsetting tables.
Not tidying the bed.
Not cleaning the walls.
Knotted my hair so loosely today.
She poked me with a hairpin.
Greased my mekala.
Trod on my feet.
Minotti, whatever is the matter with you?
I am going to show you the milk cylinder. Here is a cylinder and just a little milk. Now here you see, ये दूध गर्म हो जाने के बाद हम इसको ढक देते हैं, ऐसे ही करके। बहुत सा गर्म हो गया, अभी इसको निकाल लेके आपको टेस्ट कराना मांगते हैं। देखिए 1, 2 and 3. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Wasn't that lovely?
Now I am going to show you a glass and a bottle. Here is, you see, here is a glass and here is a bottle. And the cylinder is empty, quite empty. Here is glass and here is bottle. Now, here is bottle and here is glass. Thank you very much. Thank you. And now, here is the sweets. Now here, just I'm eating.
That was good.
लीजिए ना एक ठो, लीजिए, बहुत स्वीट है,
No, thanks.
बहुत स्वीट, here is sweet. Thank you.
Did you see that, Raghav? Isn't he a good magician?
You yourself are a fine magician. Poor girl. You have cast a spell on her.
Can I help it, Raghav, if people get bewitched by me? As you know, I have no control over my charms.
But remember, Rudra, sometimes the spell can boomerang and destroy the magician himself.
Good gracious, Raghav, you and your philosophy.
Things can still change, Naren.
No, Baidev. I cannot change.
You can go to Calcutta University. I'll ask your father to forgive you.
Forgive me? Forgive me for what? I'm only doing what I believe is right.
You really think your belief is right, Naren? Killing so many people, burning down police stations, spreading anarchy everywhere?
The English didn't leave us with any options, did they? Baidev, do you know how my friends were tortured before the police?
But there are more peaceful ways of protest.
Like singing prayers and taking out processions. Baidev, have your non-violent means been able to curb the police brutalities?
But neither have you violent means. It is only inflaming the situation further, Naren. And as the saying goes, violence begets violence.
How can we remain silent, Baidev? How can we remain silent? When they're arresting boys of a tender age for singing Bande Mataram? Even ladies with babies are not spared, Baidev. Section 144 has been clamped everywhere. Mangalai, Dhubri, Jorat, everywhere. Just to curb the movement. Newspapers are not allowed to publish news on the excesses committed by the police. The British, the government and the police are not open to any reason whatsoever. It's high time the Congress realizes all this.
The Congress has already realized, Naren, that independence cannot be achieved through brutal murders and killings. The leaders do not want an independent India built on the corpses of our own people. You may go. Come, Naren. Come have some milk. Come on.
I'll have to leave, Baidev.
What did you say? But how can you leave?
I've gone too far.
But what will your Dada and I do? You're our only hope.
Don't shackle me with emotions, Baidev, please.
But I'm not only your Baidev. I've loved you like a mother. Brought you up with my own hands. You're my favorite child. You know that, don't you? How can I live without you? Did you think of me even for a minute before you made this decision?
Of course I have, Baidev. Of course I have. It's only because I love you that I want to give you a free India.
From the brook that flows by my village to the silvery sands of the Lohit, I dig for gold daily in the Swansiri. I await the dawn in the crimson tinge of the setting sun. Through the paths of India, I move to the assembly of the world. Being born a man and having seen this lovely world, I think it's my home. Whoever is dear to me. No one is an alien.
Inspector Sir,
Morning, madam.
why don't you take a seat?
Where is Rai Bahadur, madam?
He'll be here any minute. You seem to be in a hurry.
Yes, it's urgent work.
Can I help you?
Thanks a lot for the offer, madam. But I'd rather wait for Rai Bahadur.
Good afternoon, Inspector.
Good afternoon, Rai Bahadur Saab.
Rather an unusual time for a visit.
I had to. It's urgent.
Please come in.
After you, sir.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Yes? Kusum,
Yes, Dada.
get the meals laid.
Yes.
I'll join you soon. Yes?
I have something to show you, Rai Bahadur Saab.
Whose statement is this?
Basant, Mr. Sarma's son.
Is he still alive?
Rai Bahadur Saab, I'm here to discuss your son.
There is hardly much to discuss. What's next? Kusum, call Naren.
Naren has already left.
This is unfair. You're all conspiring and whisking him away. Where is he now?
Inspector, I have no knowledge of him going. How can I tell you where he is?
In that case, sir, I think I must do what's necessary. I must hunt him down.
Hunt? Inspector, you're talking about my son and not about some wild animal.
Rai Bahadur Saab, I believe your son is more dangerous.